Okay, this is the revision 2, science subject, class 5th standard. Okay, first question in the revision 2, answer the following questions. The first one is define soil. The soil is the uppermost layer of earth surface. Second question, name different layers of soil. Answer is topsoil, subsoil, bedrock are different layers of soil. Let's explain one by one. Topsoil. Topsoil is the most layer of soil profile. It contains humus and organic matter. Second layer is subsoil. It is middle layer of the soil profile and it is rich in clay. Third one layer is bedrock. The last layer of soil profile is bedrock. It contains large rocks. Okay, these are the different layers of soil. Next, the third question is name some special practices that help to conserve soil. Answer, planting more trees and terrace farming helps to conserve soil. Next, fourth one, write one method by. Answer, sedimentation is the method by which we can purify the water. Okay, this is the answer for the fourth question. Next, move to the fifth one. Why chlorination is important? Answer, chlorination helps to kill the bacteria present in the water. Next, sixth question. Sixth one is, what is the composition of air? Answer, air consists of nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21% and other gases such as carbon dioxide and argon, that is 1%. Next, seventh one question is, what are the uses of air? Uses of air, it is used to inflate the football and basketball. Moving breezy helps to push the ships and seaboats. Windmills generate the electricity. Parachutes and hot air balloons use moving air to float in the sky. Okay, these are the uses of air. There are some more uses of air. Next question is, eighth one, write 3 examples of wheel and axle. Answer, the 3 examples of wheel and axle are vehicles, sewing machines and cycles. Ninth one question is, why we need heat in our everyday life? Answer, we use heat in our everyday life for many purposes such as food and warming our houses. Okay, these are the only 2 examples here. The purposes are only 2 here. Next, the 10th question. Why do we require artificial satellite and name its purposes? Answer, we require artificial satellites for forecasting, navigation, communication and scientific researches. Okay, these are the purposes we require artificial satellites. Next, 11th one question is, name the astronauts were landing on the moon. Neil Armstrong, Edwin Aldrin, Michael Collins are the astronauts who were landing on the moon. Next, 12th one question is, define pollution. Name 3 types of pollution. Answer, the addition of harmful substances into natural environment is called pollution. These harmful substances are called pollutants. There are 3 types of pollutions: air pollution, water pollution, and the last one is land pollution. Okay, these are the types of pollutions. Okay, some long questions here. These are the 2 or 3 marks questions. Okay, the first one question is define a soil profile. So you have to draw a neat diagram of a soil profile and mention the labels and write some notes on these. Okay, children. Yes, the note is there are the 3 layers. First one is the topsoil, subsoil and bedrock. Yes, what is the topsoil? Topsoil is the uppermost layer of the soil profile and it is rich in nutrients. It is also contains humus and organic matter. Second layer is subsoil. Subsoil is present below topsoil and above bedrock. The root of the plants reach up to this layer of soil. The last layer, third one is bedrock. Bedrock is the lowermost layer of the soil profile and it contains large pieces of rocks. Okay, this is about soil profile. Next question is define a solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. Let's draw a neat diagram. Some note on that. We all know that moon revolves around the earth. Sometimes it comes between the sun and the earth. All their heavenly bodies come in a straight line during its interval. Moon blocks the sunlight and casts its shadow on the earth because the sun is completely hidden behind the moon. It is called solar eclipse. Next one, lunar eclipse. About lunar eclipse. When the earth comes between the sun and the moon, it is called lunar eclipse. In lunar eclipse, earth casts its shadow on the moon. If the moon is completely hidden by the shadow of the earth, it is called lunar eclipse. Next, the third one, the important question, it is layers of atmosphere. Troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. So you have to write the layers of atmosphere. Troposphere, it is the first layer of atmosphere. Stratosphere, the second layer of atmosphere is stratosphere. Mesosphere, this layer is present above the stratosphere. Thermosphere, it is the fourth layer of the atmosphere, and exosphere, this is the last layer of the atmosphere. Next question is composition of air. Let's draw a neat diagram of the composition of air. Next, air contains many different types of gases. Air consists of nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21%, and other gases such as carbon dioxide and argon 1%. It also contains some harmful things such as smoke and dust. The percentage of dust may vary from place to place. Next, the last question is phases of the moon. Let's draw a neat diagram of phases of moon and write day 1, day 3, day 7, day 10 and day 14. Okay, this is the revision 2. So keep practicing. Refer this revision part for the essay 2 examination. Take care. Keep smiling. Keep exploring. Bye, children.